Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a historical period you would like to know more about. What period do you want to know about? Why do you want to know about it? How do you think you can know about it? I'd like to learn more about the birth and life circumstances of Bhagat Singh, one of India's most famous independence fighters. During the British colonial era, when India was fighting for its independence, Bhagat Singh was born in 1907. Poverty, pervasive oppression, and the rising strength of the freedom struggle were all features of that era. Because of Bhagat Singh's brief but significant life, I am motivated to study more about the socio-political climate of that time period as well as the bravery and sacrifices made by those who fought for freedom. This was an important time in India's history, full of bravery and hardship, so I'm interested in learning more about it. The 1919 Jallianwala Bagh massacre had a profound effect on Bhagat Singh, strengthening his resolve to oppose British rule. He promoted socialism and revolutionary principles through his words and deeds, which influenced his ideology. Insights into the values and hardships of the era would be gained by learning about his unwavering opposition to injustice, including the Lahore conspiracy case and his death at the early age of 23. I may read literature about the Indian freedom movement and biographies of Bhagat Singh to gain a deeper understanding of this time period. A closer connection to his life narrative could be gained by visiting historical locations such as his family town, Khakar Kalan in Punjab, or the locations of his trials and incarceration. Seeing films and documentaries on his life, like The Legend of Bhagat Singh, might also help me picture what was happening at the time. I may have a thorough grasp of the difficulties and victories Bhagat Singh and his peers encountered in their fight for independence by looking through these materials.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.